Good morning, Buns. Today we will learn something very interesting. Can you tell me what are national symbol?
Yes, sir. They are special things that represent our country, India.
Do you know what is national flag of India is called?
It's called Tiranga. National animal of India is Bengal tiger.
Yes, you are right. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India, known for its power and grace. You know, it lives in forest, grassland, and symbolizes strength, courage, and pride. So, it should strong like our national animal, tiger. Right now, you love flower, right? It's so beautiful. But do you know which is our national flower?
National flower of India is Lotus.
Facts about lotus. Lotus leaves and flowers float on water because they're waterproof. Lotus seeds can stay alive for hundreds of years and still grow. It's the national flower of India, showing beauty and strength.
National bird of India is Peacock. She looks so pretty and dancing on rain.
Here are 3 interesting short facts about the peacock, India's national bird. The male peacock has bright blue and green feathers with eye-like patterns. Peacocks spread their feathers and dance during the rainy season to impress peahens. It was declared India's national bird in 1963 for its grace, beauty, and cultural importance.
Do you know what is national fruit of India?
National fruit of India is mango. I like it. Mango is so juicy. I want to eat it now.
Mango is the national fruit of India, loved by people of all ages. It is juicy, sweet, and called the king of fruits. India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world.
National tree of India is Banyan tree. After the school, I will go and play with Banyan tree. I like Banyan tree.
The banyan tree is the national tree of India, known for its wide branches and roots. It lives for hundreds of years and gives shade to many. It symbolizes strength, longevity, and unity in Indian culture. D.
National aquatic animal is dolphin. Dolphin is so cute. Dolphin dancing on water.
Dolphins see using sound. They are almost blind, especially the Ganges River dolphin, and use a method called echolocation. They send sound waves and listen for echoes to find food and navigate underwater.
National sports of India is hockey. India owns 8 Olympic gold medals in hockey.
Hockey is a team sport played with a curved stick and a small hard ball. India has won 8 Olympic gold medals in hockey, a world record. Major Dhyan Chand is one of the greatest hockey players in history, also called the Wizard of Hockey. The game is played on a grass or turf field with 11 players on each team. Though not officially declared, hockey is seen as the traditional national sport of India.
National river of India is Ganga. Ganga is too big.
River Ganga is the national river of India and is considered sacred in Hinduism. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas and flows into the Bay of Bengal. The river passes through major cities like Haridwar, Varanasi, Patna, and Kolkata. Ganga supports millions of people, animals, and farms along its banks. It is worshipped as Ganga Ma, symbolizing purity, life, and spirituality.
Do you know what is national emblem of India?
The lion capital of Ashoka. National currency of India is Indian rupee. Excuse me, sir. My father has too much money.
The Indian rupee is the national currency of India, symbolized as rupee sign. The currency is issued and controlled by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Indian money comes in coins, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, and notes, 10 rupees, 20 rupiye, 50 rupiye, 100 rupiye, 200 rupiye, 500 rupiye, 2000 rupiye. The symbol rupee combines the Devanagari letter R, Ara, and the Roman letter R. The word rupee comes from the Sanskrit word rupya, which means silver.
National anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Samaraja Ravira Uttara Banga Binna Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladita Ranga Dava Subhana Jage Dava Subha Asisa Mange Gahe Dava Jaya Gada Jana Gana Mangala Yeka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He Jai
National heritage animal of India is elephant.
Indian elephant is a subspecies of the Asian elephant found mostly in forests of India. It holds religious importance and is associated with Lord Ganesha, symbolizing wisdom and strength. It is listed as endangered because of shrinking habitats, poaching, and human conflict.
National reptile of India is king cobra. He is so poisonous.
The king cobra can grow up to 18 feet long, making it the longest venomous snake in the world. It doesn't just strike randomly. The king cobra is known for its strategic hunting behavior and mainly eats other snakes. Found in India and Southeast Asia, its venom can kill an elephant, but it usually avoids humans unless threatened.
National father of India is Mahatma Gandhi. He fight for freedom for India.
Mahatma Gandhi was a key leader in India's freedom movement and is known as the father of the nation. He believed in nonviolence, ahimsa, and led peaceful protests like the Dandi March. His ideas inspired not only Indians but also global leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela.
National vegetable of India is pumpkin. Pumpkin is so big vegetable.
Pumpkin is a fruit, even though we cook it like a vegetable. It is full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, making it very healthy. Pumpkins are used in festivals like Halloween and in many Indian dishes. Thanks for watching. We're working really hard to make learning fun and easy for your kids. If you love our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us grow and keep the knowledge flowing. Stay curious, stay smart,